Welcome back, Frac crew. It's Jared with Frac Daddy Barbecue. Guys, today we're going to do one of my favorite dishes from my home state, New Mexico. As y'all know, it is green chili season. And nothing says home like some homemade green chili stew. For this recipe, what we'll be using in this green chili stew, we're going to be using pork. Now, traditionally, you can go hamburger meat or you can go pork. I personally prefer pork. First thing we're going to add to our pot, we got heating up to a medium-high heat. We got 2 pounds of pork. Now we're going to brown this off. When we do brown this off, we are going to season it with salt and pepper. Now that our meat is done browning, we're going to add some bacon grease because we need to saute up our garlic and our onions. Oh, bejeebus. The smell of that garlic is so amazing. So here we have 3 pounds of hot to medium Hatch Green Chiles. This isn't going to be green chili stew without it, now will it? Just add a couple pinches of salt because it's going to bring out the natural flavor of these beautiful Hatch Green Chiles. So here's our pork that we got done sauteing up. We're going to put juice and all. Now we're adding some water to cover up our meat and our veggies and green chili. Now we have 2 bay leaves that we're going to add to this. We have my favorite better than bouillon chicken. We're going to add a couple spoonfuls of this. Now we're going to let this simmer on low to medium heat till everything gets nice and tender. So we just got done seasoning our dish. Now I'm going to put everything in our description box. We used salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, onion, bay leaves, and oregano. We will do our best to put accurate amounts in our description box. So we've been simmering away on our stew for about 2 to 2.5 hours. We added a package of Sazon, which I think Sazon is a must in any kind of New Mexico style food or any Mexican dish. Now what we have next, we have 3 tomatoes and then we have 4 to 5 small red taters. Now we're going to put those in because we put those in towards the last because you don't want those to overcook. Now one thing you are going to have to remember, since you are adding this extra, you're going to have to come back and you're going to have to retaste this to see what you may need to add. So the green chili stew is finally done. It's taken about 3.5 hours to do this. I tell you what, guys, this house smells absolutely amazing. Let me tell you what, those Hatch peppers, they are kicking this year. Great heat. The broth is amazing. The salt, the pepper, everything is perfect. So guys, if you really want to try this recipe, try it how we put it in the description, and then you can add or take away what you like. Now, I really hope that you enjoy this, and if there's any other Hatch Green Chili videos you'd like to see us do, let us know. Until next time, enjoy them Hatch peppers, and we'll see you on the next one.